In this video, I'll show you how I finally became profitable trading cryptocurrency. Don't worry, it's not just how I finally became profitable. These are strategies that the highly successful crypto traders have actually applied. So they are like the 7 habits of the highly successful crypto traders. So let's get into them. Number 1 is I stopped trading futures. I finally found out that futures trading actually is killing my future. Futures trading is a strategy to steal away my future. So I stopped trading futures and I focus only on spot trading. You see, until you become an hedge fund or you become a whales, when I talk about whales, hedge funds, or what's it called? Or market makers, that means until you have like $1 million in your portfolio, I advise you don't trade futures. If you keep trading futures, you keep ruining your futures. Until you get to a point that you can actually manipulate the market yourself and become an exchange yourself, you keep ruining your future. So I stopped trading futures trading and I stick only with spot trading. You can see that from my data here. Pardon me. You can see that. Go to history here. You see my trade this year. I've only traded spot. You can see other history on my spots. You can see these are spot trading, trade history. You can see them on spot. You can see right here on spot. So when you go to futures, cross margin, nothing. Go to other history, nothing. When you go to isolated margin, nothing. Trade history, nothing. So I stopped trading spot, and that helped me grow my account marginally. That helped me grow my account massively. You can see, let me show you my account here. What I have here currently is $115. I actually withdrew $1,000 recently. Let me show you. Let's go to overview so that you see the history here. Let's go to history here. Let's go to assets. That was just, I think, 2 days ago or so. We drew $1,000. You know, I need money for December. It's necessary. So you see, this was what I withdrew the last time. That was all my profit for the year. We drew them at once. I just left $115 there. So you can see I reduced my Bybit so that I can actually trade it on P2P and spend the money for important things. Not to spend it on unnecessary things, but to it was on a building project. Don't worry, I'll just stop there. It was on a building project. So you can see how we made money and use it for tangible things and investments. So you can see that was how I did that recently. And let me show you how my account has grew this year. Let me go to overview. You know, you actually need all this proof so that you know that we are not just joking with you. You can see what I started the year with. This is a 360 days. I think I started this account with just $10 and reached over $1,500. You can see it's at $10, it's still loading, and you can see what started with. You can see what grew to $1,500. Though there was time that I actually fund this account, it may be $100, $200 once in a while, but the most money were made on trading, and this was when I withdrew the $1,000. You can see when the markets went down. So I stopped trading futures. I only focus on spot trading. Spot trading is just like, this is what they call spot trading. You go to a coin right now, let's assume by BNB. I just click on it, then click buy here and buy with what I have on my wallet. Yeah, so I'm not actually using any leverage. What advantage of it is that you cannot be liquidated. So you can keep it for 10 years, your money is still there. So your money may go down in value. That $115 may turn to maybe $80, $30. But the truth is, as long as it didn't sell, it's going to bounce back with time. So that's why I always advise buy high market cap coin. I'm going to mention that later in the steps or in the procedures or in the habits I started practicing that make me profitable. So number 1 is I stopped trading futures. Number 2 is that I only trade high market cap coin. I don't trade low market cap coin. That's one reason why you are not profitable. This house for high market cap coin. Go to here, just scroll like this. Go to market cap. When you go to market cap here, you see a list of them here. So this one showing the market cap of each coin. That's the value of each coin. So you can see BTC right now, the market cap is over $1.7.3 trillion dollars, not in nairas, $1 trillion. You can see ETH here, you can see USDT here. That means this is a month or this one that is in circulation and the coin's value. So high market cap alone. If it's not high market cap, I don't trade. I only trade within the first 10 or the first 20 or first 30 at max. So if I'm going to buy any coin, the first thing I check is what is the market cap of this coin to know the value. When you check the market cap, it tells you that, oh, there is a lot of people buying it and there's high investment on it. And those people are not just child. So when you are buying coin of maybe 1 million market cap, 2 million market cap, or coin of one person can only be the one funding that coin for $1 million. So if the person decides to withdraw, you lose all your money. So I only trade high market cap coin. I don't trade many coins. I don't trade low gems. I know some of you did, and why you are doing this because you want to double your money. So I don't do that. I only trade high market cap coin. Number 3 reason is that I only trade with what I can afford to keep. So if I have $1,000 in my account right now, I might decide to just trade with $100. If that $100 is what I can afford to keep for the next 1 year, 2 years, in case the coin even went down, in case it didn't bounce back as I expect. So I only trade with what I can afford to lose, or not I can afford to lose, but I can afford to keep Underline what I can afford to keep. If it's futures trading right now, I can say what you can afford to lose. But it's only what I can afford to keep. Number 3, I stick. Number 3, right? Number 4, sorry. I have a strategy and I stick to it. My strategy is what I call the simplest spot trading strategy. The link to that video is in the description above below. You can go and check that video. The simplest spot trading strategy. That link, I think it was less than 12 minutes video. I explained my strategy there and how I apply it, and I use BTC as an indicator. It was one of the best strategy, and that strategy made me quite a number of money this year, in thousands, and has made my signal room or my group millions this year. So that strategy is going to help you a whole lot. So go and check it in the description below. You find the link to the video in the description, or check the channel right here. If you don't find it there, check the channel. You see the simplest spot trading strategy. Find it and watch that video. It's going to help you a lot. So number 4 thing I did that made me profitable was that, number 5, right? Number 5, I reduced the number of times I trade. Possibly I only trade once in a month or once in 2 months. So until that strategy play out, I don't trade. Some of you, one of the reasons why you are still broke right now, or you still remain broke, or you never make money in crypto, that you trade every day. I've seen people that want to join my signal, they ask me, sir, how many signals do you drop in a day? That's a foolish question. It's not about how many signals, it's about how profitable your signals are. Go and check our track record. The link to my Telegram channel is here. Go and check it. Go and check the signal drop and the results. Stop following people that will deceive you and ruin your life. Stop that. So I reduced the number of times I trade. You know, when I started learning crypto trading some years back from Binance Academy, I joined Binance Academy, and one of the things I learned in Binance Academy was that they told us one of the things they told us was that people who made it the most in crypto trading trade few times. Most of them trade only once in 4 years. Some of them were the one that bought BTC when it was on $15,000. Let me show you. This is how they trade. This is how those guys trade. Let me show you. Let me show you practically how they trade. Those guys, this is 1 month charts. You see, when BTC was on, when they sold BTC. They bought BTC when it was on maybe $3,700. Yeah, she gets. They sold it when it grew to $69,000. That's when they sold. Are you getting me? They didn't buy again. This is how they trade, though. They didn't do anything. That's like in the next 4 years, they sold. They now wait again. BTC came down to as low as $15,000 here. After they sold, they didn't do anything again. So they waited for like 1 year. They didn't do anything again. They see it down $15,000. They buy again. They sold now when it was on $126,000. Are you getting me? They are not buying again now. They've sold all their portfolio. That's why the market is down now. They are waiting for it to come down to maybe $30,000, $40,000. They will buy again. And they will say maybe $200,000. That's how they trade. And those are the people like Elon Musk, like BlackRock. Are you getting me? Microsoft Strategy. That's what they do. This is how these guys trade. They are not like you, that you are buying all the time, selling every day, buying, selling. You know, when you keep doing that, you keep paying trading fee. So the only thing you are doing is you are making the exchange wealthy. So that's why they introduce futures trading, so as to ruin your future early. Because they know you want to make it suddenly. You want to wipe up your generational cost, your generational poverty by crypto trading. It's not going to be possible that way. It's not going to be possible that way. Generational cost have been there more than 500 years. Your grandfather have been there battling poverty, so you just want to wipe it off in 1 day with crypto trading. If you ever do, you still go back to it. You can't make generational wealth that way. It takes time to build. So I reduce the number of times I trade. I don't trade most times, maybe once a month, once in 2 months. At times I even give signals. I don't even trade futures at all. But I keep learning daily. I reduce the number of times I trade and I keep learning daily. Don't worry, I'm going to show you that later. So number 6, that I take my job serious. You see, those who will kill you are those who have told you resign from your job and start trading. They will kill you and ruin your future. I've seen students who have told me, sir, I want to start trading, I want to pay for your mentorship, and I will resign from my job. I said, don't pay. If it's that one, don't pay. Don't resign from your job, or else you will regret your life. Why? Because I have a reputation to build. Ask anybody of KC or Principal Academy, for those who know about us. We've built this reputation for years. For years, and we are still in this game. We don't want to be here. I can tell you, I will have made more money than this if I keep lying to people. But I don't have anything to do with that. Because what I'm building here is generational wealth. This is a company. This is an organization. I will be gone one day. This organization will still be there. So we want to build a reputation that can last and stand the test of time. It will be here forever. Even when I'm gone and I'm no more, it's an organization that will be here forever. As long as crypto trading exists on the earth. So we are building something that will last. So in that terms, we don't build anyhow. So I take my job serious. So don't resign from your job. Currently, I'm an interior designer. I have an interior company, Classicals Interiors. I have a real estate company. So, and I'm still working hardly. Have you asked yourself, Elon Musk, does Elon Musk works? Oh, really? He works. So you now that you are only trading with $10, you want to stop working. Elon Musk that is trading with millions, billions of dollars is working. So you want to stop trading. BlackRock, did they have work? They have work. Microsoft, did they have work? They have work. The major whales in the market are working. Warren Buffett, they have work. They have work. Donald Trump, did they have work? He still work. He's the president. He has real estate business. One of the biggest real estate company in US is owned by him and his family. So you have resigned from your work to start trading. You must be a fool. That's why you need to have sense. And that's why you're here. Work. Go back to your work. It's from your work you will generate funds to buy coin and keep and hold. So it's not a lifetime thing you sit down with. This is a company we train people and likes. It's an organization on its own. But nevertheless, I still have other business I do. I can't keep my family at this. Is it once the month that I trade, I'll say I'll keep using to feed my family? No. But the higher my capital, the higher profit I will make. Do you know one thing? If I trade you $1,000 and the coin did 10%, that's $100. But if you trade with $10 and the coin did 10%, that's $1. So what $1 for you? So the higher your capital, the higher money you can make. That's just the truth. That's the truth. We trade one trade in October 10, I made over $109 that same day. Maybe if time permits me, I can just show you. Let me go to my signal room. October 10, we took a trade October 10, and this trade made me over $109. This was my P&L for that day alone. Over $109 for that day alone. Just one day, less than how many hours? But do you imagine how many capital I invested in that trade? So you now, you can't make that money because your trade is just $10. So you need to go and work, go and find a job. If you have not have a job, go and learn a job, go and learn a trade. Go and do something. I only told you about 2 of my companies. I have more than 3, 4. That's why I have enough capital to pull into the market. This is just one of my wallets. This is not all my wallets. Have sense today. Number 7, I keep improving on my knowledge base daily. If there's anything you are sure when you join our channel is that every day you'll be getting knowledgeable tips. You'll be getting educational tips on crypto trading. Oh, this is what to do, this is how to manage your portfolio, this is how to risk, this is how to do this. One thing you must increase daily is knowledge. And one thing you must reduce daily is trading. With that, you stay profitable in crypto. Click on the links to watch in the next video. Don't worry, all this month we are teaching about spot trading. And thank you for watching.